5 herbs you can add to your tea. Add these herbs to your tea and never get sick. Rain and tea go hand in hand, and when it is combined with comfort food, there is nothing better than that. Monsoon is one of the most underrated seasons and can literally bring out the worst in us. Most people are complaining about lesser immunity, lethargy, and fatigue. While the dip in temperature can be a big relief for many of us, the humidity after the rains can make us fall sick. During monsoon season, most people complain of cold, cough, sneezing, and even fever sometimes. So, here is a list of 5 herbs that you can add to your cuppa to help overcome such issues. These herbs not only increase the flavor and taste of your tea but help boost your immunity as well health. When it starts to rain, turmeric, which contains the strength of curcumin, desmethoxycurcumin, and bis-desmethoxycurcumin, can fortify the inner core of our bodies. Due of the herb's antibacterial characteristics, it can treat numerous infections that arise during the monsoon season. Turmeric tea has additional advantages for our weight loss program. Tulsi, in the realm of therapeutic herbs. Tulsi is a legendary rock star. 1 cup of Tulsi blended tea will alleviate chest congestion, unclog our noses, and put an end to the illness. Vitamin A, D, iron, fiber, and other components found in Tulsi help destroy bacteria and improve immunity. Additionally, Tulsi is a fantastic herb for maintaining good oral and dental health. Saptaporna, mosquito population growth and malaria threat are both exacerbated by monsoon. The ancient Saptaporna tree is a potent herbal weapon in the fight against this illness. This herb, also referred to as white cheesewood, has potent antimalarial properties. The antipyretic effects of it can lower a fever. Additionally, it can strengthen the body's overall resistance to malaria. Last but not least, it can aid in the relief of numerous skin issues as well as gastrointestinal pain. Ginger, while eating on the street during the rain may be highly attractive, the allure comes with a terrible case of stomach pain. Because of this, adding ginger to our tea is a fantastic idea. Ginger is a herb that enhances digestion and metabolism, which helps our gut function. It is also a great beverage for controlling nausea brought on by motion sickness or morning sickness. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is a crucial ingredient to include in tea, especially when it rains, as it is rich in beta-carotene, vitamin C, and anthocyanin. The herb keeps our internal immune system in equilibrium, thwarting the emergence of an unwelcome illness or infection. Additionally, it contains a lot of antioxidant and antibacterial effects.